Do you want to know how you can see the chat history in Bing AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your chat history in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now, click Copilot, which is in the middle of your screen, and then click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner. Now click on see chat history, scroll down, and this is your chat history. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone, and then click on Copilot. Now click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner, and then click on chat history. Scroll down and you can see all of the previous prompts which you had given to Bing AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.